Welcome to the Roller Coasters EI4 3.2 Centripetal Mini Coaster Individual Activity Directions video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build the 3.2 Centripetal Mini Coaster step by step. Here we go. Before we get to building our coaster, we should put the batteries in. If you have a younger group of campers, this should be done as a prep, but if you have an older group, they can put their own in. So all you do is unscrew this. Keep track of your screw. Put the batteries in. It's easier to do this first, or else you're going to have a bunch of pieces on top, making it harder to do. Now we're going to start building. For the first step, we're going to put these pegs into this track piece. Take the longer of the two pegs and put it here. Then you take the shorter, put it in the curved part, right here. Put it aside for now, and we'll move on to the next step. Now we're going to put this disc on this three-way track. There's a very particular way it lines up. If you don't line it up right, it's not going to fit on. If you notice here, there are these two curved plastic pieces. This is the top. So you have to line this hole up with this top peg up here. So you line that top part up with the two curved pieces and just push it in. On to the next step. Now we're going to push the disc with the three-way track into the base. This hole, and these two holes are where the legs are going to go. You can see them right here. 1, 2, and then the 2. So you just line them up and then push them in. After that's in, you're going to put this track piece on. You have to do it in this order, or else it's going to get in the way of each other. So you put the back in to that hole, and the front in right there. Make sure it's pushed in all the way, and there you go. Now we're going to build the corkscrew piece, just like the other day. The flag piece is going to be at the top again, with the square base at the bottom. So you put the flag part up here. Then you snap it together. There's the door. Use the donut piece up here to keep it secured. If you have trouble, just twist it a little bit and it'll go on. There we go. Now we're going to place the cylinder into the base. Again, it has the square and the two holes for the tabs to go into. So I'm going to line those tabs up with the holes. And you might have to twist it around so that the door right here lines up with the track down here. So make sure the door's facing you when you start placing it in. So you line up the tabs as best you can. And then it pops down like that. And then you might have to twist it a little bit, pushing down if it's not moving. And then when it's lined up, like so, you've got it in place. Now to make it run, it's the same as the others. You've got this switch. One way turns on the music and the machine. To the right, then to the left is just the machine. So again, have them turn to the left so you don't have all this music playing. And once it's assembled, you can put the balls in and watch it go.